Howdy folks, it's Handsome. And today we're going to be messing with the Sony A7R V, the newbie. Crap load of megapixels. Hope everybody's doing well, staying focused, staying positive. And today we are going to be messing with a good old broken screen. And the bracket looks a little messed up too. But the customer just wants the screen fixed. As you can see, it is a little off. That's okay. Tools of the day. Cross points. Ain't seen the video? Watch the video. Click the link wherever the video link is and go to see it. Got your curved tweezers, straight tweezers. Not gonna need a lot because it's just the screen, but each camera is different. Even though maybe a same part from another camera, it's gonna be a different mechanism. As you can see, this crazy, just another way to bend your flex cable. But yeah, let's go ahead and dig into it. Basically 4 screws and then we're gonna pop, lock, and drop it. That's it. Here's the part. Funny thing is that says ILCE 9M3. That is indicating that this is a screen for a Sony A9 III. Thought that was pretty funny because I ordered for the 5, but they used the same screen, literally same part, and they updated. Once this camera came out, I guess they changed the part number or something. I don't know, probably for taxes, hell. Boom, there's our part. We're gonna take these 4 screws out real quick. Boom, 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 boom. I've done a couple of these screen videos, but they never get old. People always ask about them, especially when they're new, you know. Before you get these insides, let's get the outsides first. Should have started with that. But my mind don't work like that. My mind is definitely different. So, we're going to take this last screw out and we're going to get to popping. We're going to get that edge, and we're just going to walk down the line. And we're going to be, you know, a little careful. A little careful. Now, the cool thing is about the 5, there is a little slack that is given. Come on, baby. Oh, the good news is you're not really going to mess anything up with this broken screen. There we go. Now she's starting to open up to me. Yeah. It's okay. Ah. Yeah. It's okay if it gives a little crunch, crunch, crunch like that. Yeah, I mean. Alright. As you can tell, this flex cable is longer than most. But that's good. It gives you more slack. Just go ahead and hit that corner and she should pop right off. Good old technique I've used multiple times. We're going to put this right through here and boom, you're gonna put the bottom of that down right there and then slide it through right there. All right, this is our old one. We're gonna set this here. Do a little marketing real quick, you know. If you see these around, I've been slapping them. Just came back from Utah, going to Mexico, Kansas City, I threw them up. Definitely in North Carolina, South Carolina. If you see them, that'd be cool. Send me a picture, I'll send you a little something. All right, back to it. Game face. Let's go. All right, you're gonna grab the flex cable and we're going to insert, and it should just go straight through. So, boom, and Interesting. There is a piece, a cover. I've never seen that. That is pretty cool. All right. Just did notice the color of the board's a little different. So Sony could be in for a phone call if this doesn't work. Let's see how it goes. Definitely don't remember the construction of all right. I'm in my head. I apologize. Boom. It's all in my head. Gotta think about it over and over again. All right, come on. Get in there, boy. All right, so are we sitting right in there? Yes, we are. Boom. We're gonna set you there. That's not the back. We're gonna grab the back and we're gonna snap. This is pop lock and drop it right here. Now, this customer just wanted the screen replaced. Doesn't want the hinges fixed. They're balling on a budget. I don't blame them. Alright, so we're going to put a screw in just for stability. Boom. Boom. Alright, then we just have 2 more screws. And let's test this. Here. All right. And look at that. We have right here. It works. All right. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and remember, stay focused, stay positive. Peace.